Equity financing can get you off the ground rather than looking for when you will not be able to save enough. Are you with me? Even if you save, you say what I would need is 20 million naira. But what you can save, let's say your salary today is 200,000. I know that most companies don't pay 200,000 for starters. Most companies, and I've seen a lot of remuneration package lately from even big companies that I expected were doing a lot, but a lot of them are around the 100, 120 region. You want to save, you get your salary is 100k. Let's even say, when I say you cut down everything, you are not eating, you are not doing anything, you are not drinking water, you're able to save the 100. You are not breathing. If you save 100,000 naira per month, how much is that? In a year? 1.2 million. How long will it take you to save 20 million naira that you are looking at? Is somebody with me? So savings alone cannot get you there. You need to look for other financing models. A business owner must be able to raise capital.